बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वाहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Dear students, we start chapter number 3 and exercise 3.1. This exercise is about ratio and proportion. Now, the first question is, we express the following as a ratio A and B as a fraction in its simplest form. It means lowest form. Now, the question is, what is the ratio? A relation between two quantities of the same kind is called ratio. If A and B, let's suppose A and B are two quantities of the same kind, and we write this in ratio form A ratio B. This is written in ratio B. This is of the same kind and A ratio B, or we write in fraction form A over B. This is fraction form, this is ratio form. Now the question is, the first part of this question, RS 750 ratio RS 1250. Now we want to write this ratio in simplest form. Now we write this in simpler form. First we will write in fraction form. It means 750 over 1250. Now this 0 will cancel this 0. Again it is equal to 75 over 125. Now it will 25 3s are 75 and 25 5s are 125. Now we write here 3 over 5. Now it is the in simplest form in fraction. Now we write this in ratio. Now 3 ratio 5. Now this is the simplest form of the ratio of this first part of this question. Now the second part of this, second part is equal to, the second part is, let's suppose 400 centimeter, 450 cm and 3 meter. Now this is centimeter, this is meter. We convert first of this meter into centimeter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. We multiply this 3 by 100, we get the centimeter. Now 450 cm and this next is 3 multiplied by 100 is equal to 300 cm. Now our ratio becomes 450 ratio 300. Now this is ratio. Now we write in fraction form. This is 450 over 300. Now we have write in fraction form. Now this 0 will cancel this 0. Now you have 45 over 30, and we again we reduce these fraction, and we will divide 5. This 5 15. 5, let's suppose the smallest number is 5. 5 9s are 45, 5 9s are 45, and 5 6 are. Now it's 6. Again 3 will be divided here. 3 3 is 9 and 3 2 is 6. Now our simplest ratio in the form of fraction is this, and we write this 3 ratio 2. 3 ratio 2. Now it is the simplest form of this ratio. Now the question number, I write 2 of this. Let's suppose 5, fifth. Next you will do yourself, and fifth 75 degree and 225 degree. Again, now this is degree, this is also degree, and we write in ratio form 75 degree ratio 225 ratio degree. Now we write this in fraction form 75 over 225. Now we first divide by 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5s are 25. Now 15 5s are 75. Now 5 again we divide this 4, this 420 and 5. Again 5 3s are 15 and 5 9s are 45, and again 3 1s are and 3 3s are. Now this is the simple form in fraction of ratio. We write this 1:3. Now this is the simplest form. Now the last part of this is 6. This is 6th part, and it is equal to 27 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, and is equal to, and next ratio is 1 hour. 1 hour. This we write first. We convert all these in seconds. Let's suppose we write here 27 multiplied by 60 and plus 30. Now it is, we have convert these into seconds. Now 1 hour multiplied by, and we know that 3600 seconds in 1 minute. We write 1 multiplied by 3600, this, and we write this. Now 60 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 27, this, and plus 30. This is equal to 1650 cm. Now sorry, second. Now again we write this 3600 second. Now we write this in ratio form. This 1650 ratio 3600. Now this is, we write this in a fraction form, 1650 over 3600. Now this, first we, this 0 will cancel here, and 165 over 360. Now we divide this fraction by 5. Now 5 3s are 15, and again 5 3s are 15, or here we divide 5 7s are 35, and 10 5 2s are 10. Again we divide 3, 11 3s are 33, and 24 3s are 72. And now we have, this is in the simplest form in fraction. We write in ratio 11:24. Now this is the answer of this question. Now we start the question number 2. Question number 2 is, in a class of 60 students, 25 students are girls and remaining students are boys. Compute the ratio. Now boys to total students. First we will find the number of boys. Total students, to write this, total students in class is equal to 60. Now this is 60. Now number of students is equal to, this is given in 25. Now number of boys students in class is equal to 60 minus 25 is equal to 35. Now the 35 students are boys and 25 are girls. Now we write the ratio boys to total students. Now boys first we write here, boys 35 ratio 60. Now this, or we write this ratio in fraction, and we write this 35 over 60, and we write this 7 5s are 5 7s are 35, and 12 5s are 60. Now we write here 7 over 12. This is the form in fraction, simplest form in fraction. We write this in ratio 7:12. Now it is in ratio form. Now the second is boys to girls. Number of boys in class is equal to, we have 35, and number of girls Number of girls in class is equal to 25. Now the boys to girls, it means first we write boys then girls. 35 ratio 25. Now we write this in fraction form, 35 over 25, and we write 7 5s are 35 and 5 5s are 25. Now we write this 7 ratio 5. Now it is the simple form of ratio in ratio form, and this is in fraction form. Now the question number 3 is this. This is question number 3. Question number 3 is, if this is equal to this, find the ratio x and y. We have to find this ratio x and y. This means also the solution is this. Find, this is our given, 3 into 4x minus 5y is equal to 2x minus 7y, and required is x ratio y, or it means x over y. Now this is written in ratio form, this is written in fraction form. Now we take this, again we write this 3 4s are 12, 12x, and 3 5s are minus 15y is equal to 2x minus 7y. Now we take x to the left side and y to the right side. Now this will go to the left side, it means 12x minus 2x, and is equal to this minus y to the will go to the right side, and it will become 15y minus 7y. Now it is equal to 10x is equal to 8y. Now this is 8y, and we write this, we divide in both to both sides, dividing both side by 8y, 8 and y and 10, 8 divided by y, this y, okay. 10x over y is equal to 8y over y. This y will cancel y. We have write dividing both sides by y. First we divide both sides. We write here in the denominator y. Also write y here. Y will cancel y. Or you have is equal to 10x over y is equal to only 8. Now divide by dividing both side by 10. Now by 10 we write here 10x over 10y is equal to 8 over 10. Now 10 will cancel 10, or you have x over y is equal to 8 over 10. Now this is written in fraction form. We write this in ratio form. Now x ratio y is equal to 8 ratio 10. Now this is the answer of this question. Now this is the question again. 10x over 10y is equal to 8 over 10. This 10 cancel, and you have x over y is equal to 10 over 8. Now this is written in fraction form. We write in ratio form, x ratio y and is equal to 8 ratio 10. Now this is the question number 3. Now write the question number 4. The question number 4 is, find the value of p if the ratio 2p plus 5, ratio 3p plus 4 and 3 ratio 4 are equal. Now this equation is given. We write the solution. We write this is equal to this. It means we write here 2p plus 5 ratio 3p plus 4 is equal to 3 ratio 4. Now this, because the condition is given, both ratios are equal. Now we write this in fraction form. 2p plus 5 over 3p plus 4 is equal to 3 over 4. Now we have written in fraction form. Now by cross multiplication, by cross multiplication, we write this. This is equal to this multiplied by this, and this multiplied by this. I'll write here 4 into 2p plus 5 is equal to 3 into 3p plus 4. Now this is 4. Right. Multiply this 4 inside in these terms. 4 2 is 8. 8p plus 20 is equal to 3 3 is 9p and plus 12. Now this 9p, we write this. This will go to the left side and this will go to the right side. Now 8p minus 9p is equal to 12. Now 20 will go to the right side and minus 20. Here minus p is equal to minus 8. Now this minus will cancel minus. Now you have p is equal to 8. Now this is the value of p, and we have find this value. Now the question number 5 is, if the ratio 3x ratio 6 plus 4x and 3 and 4 and are equal, then find x. We want to find the x. Solution, we are find to y. Find x. Now write this again. 3x plus 1 ratio 6 plus 4x is equal to 3 ratio 4. Now write this in fraction form. 3x plus 1 over 6 plus 4x is equal to 3 over 4. Now by cross multiplication, we get. Now this multiply this, it means 4 multiplied by 3x plus 1 and is equal to 3 into 6 plus 4x, and we multiply this. 4 3 is 12x and plus 4 1s are 4 is equal to 3 6 is 18 and 3 plus 4 12x. Now 12x. Now this is equal to, now this, we write this 12x to the left side. 12x minus 12x, x is equal to 18 minus 4 and 0 is equal to 14. Now the value of x does not exist. Because the variable 0. Now the question number 5 is 4. Now again, this is our question number 6. The numbers are in the ratio 5 and 8. If 9 is added to each numbers, we get a new ratio, 8 ratio this 11. Now we have, let's suppose, now this is the, because the ratio of two numbers are, solution is, the ratio of two numbers is ratio of two numbers is 5 ratio 8. 5 ratio 8. Now multiply each ratio by x. We multiply by x this ratio and we get 5x and ratio 8x. Now this is right here, and the next is according to given condition, according to given condition, we have 5x plus 10, because 10 is added, because if 9 is added, sorry, not 10 is added, 9 is added, ratio 8x plus 9. It will become the ratio, the last is 8 ratio 11. 8 ratio 11. Now we write this in fraction form. 5x plus 9 over 8x plus 9 is equal to 8 over 11. Now we by cross multiplication is we find the number of if 2 is added. Now we multiply cross multiplication, this multiply by and this multiply by. 11 multiplied by 5x plus 9 and is equal to 8 multiplied by this, 8 multiplied by 8x plus 9. We multiply this, 11 5s are 55, x plus 99, 11s are 99 is equal to 8 8s are 64x and 8 9s are 72. Now this will go to that side, the left side 55x and minus 64x is equal to 72 minus 99 is equal to, we write here minus 9x. Okay, now here we write 99 7 and 8 17 minus 70. Or now again with 99 minus 72 is 7, or here also 2. Now 27, not 27. Now minus this minus 1 cancel. Now you have 9x is equal to 27 and x is equal to 27 over 9. 9 1s are 9 3s are, and this is the number is 3. The number is x is 3. Now this is the number, and we have, this is the answer of this question. Now we have find x is equal to 3 and we have number is equal to, this is equal to 5x and ratio 8x. Now we multiply by this, 5x is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15 and 8x is equal to 8 multiplied by 3 is equal to 24. Now the numbers are 15 and 24. The numbers are 15 and 24. The numbers are 15 this and 24. Now this is the final answer of this question. X is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3, the numbers are this.